4 ways to include positive self talk into your life. Has it ever felt like some people have all the luck? You know who I'm talking about. In every group, there's someone who seems to have it all. They succeed in seemingly everything they attempt. They enjoy good health. Their relationships are more intimate and longer lasting. It's no wonder these folks seem so positive all the time. Have you considered you're looking at them the wrong way around? Oddly enough, people don't tend to be optimists naturally. In fact, what you find out is when you get to know one of these stellar successes better, is that they succeed because they have a positive outlook, which stems from one simple facet of their personality. They all indulge in positive self talk. Positive self talk is the impetus of optimism. Thankfully, it can be learned. You start by following these 4 simple steps. Check your dialogue. What are you saying? Everyone keeps up a fairly constant stream of self talk. Start paying attention to the words you use. It might seem obvious, but if you want to induce positive self talk, you need to drop the negative. Start by identifying the triggers. What negative words and phrases do you use most often? What positive words can you substitute? It might be you need to do some work to root out the more common culprits as frequently as the most negative statements have roots outside yourself. When this happens, remind yourself the only opinion that truly counts is your own. What would you rather tell yourself instead? Add some fun. It's almost impossible to stay negative when you're laughing. By looking for the humor in the situation, you change your entire attitude. Your outlook shifts, and you find yourself feeling more positive. Your self-talk shifts right along with it. You'll find yourself laughing internally and feeling better about yourself. Explore optimism. Positive self-talk stems from an optimistic viewpoint. When you confront a new situation, look at how you react. Make a conscious effort to see the bright side of the situation. Assume the best-case scenario. This optimism carries into your self-talk. Start assuming the best about yourself as well. Persist. Remember, practice makes perfect. You're not going to succeed overnight. If you catch yourself thinking something rather negative, don't fall into a blame spiral thinking you've failed. Be easy on yourself and simply remind yourself of something positive. If you need help remembering these steps, try posting affirmations where you see them frequently. Positive self-talk becomes a habit when you practice it daily. The more you hang in there and try, the more optimistic you'll feel. Before you know it, you're going to be one of those people you used to admire, and people will be looking up to you.